So, hey, good to see everybody out here in the Chime world. My name's Stan Bishop. I was a broker, just like a bunch of you. I was also a overseer of a lead generation system. So I've been in the lead generation side since about 2007. Started a brokerage in Jacksonville, Florida, grew it to about 400 agents, 5 locations, sold it in 2017. And now all I do is coach brokers on how to help them get to whatever goal they set. So it's very customized to specifically your needs. We cover all the different topics from lead generation, onboarding new agents, accountability, business metrics, marketing, lead generation, joint ventures, MSA, lead share agreements, supporting agents, culture. All those are different topics. And from that, we actually provide the brokers and the team leaders with the resources so they don't have to go out there and recreate the wheel. And then we also build in business metrics for accountability purposes based on the goals that they set. And we talk about why they reached their goal or why they didn't reach their goal, what the variance was, and how to help them get back on track. I know a lot of brokers out there are probably reeling from the COVID situation, and I've seen a lot of effect on that, but through the right proper coaching and business planning, we can overcome that. And I'm seeing a lot of brokers right now actually above last year in their numbers when they're implementing the right systems in place. And lead generation is by far, when I look at the big pie of revenue and where money comes from, it's one of the top sources out there. So I'm glad for your listeners that have adopted the lead system, they're implementing it. But at the end of the day, a lead system is a race car to me. And a race car is as fast as the fuel you put into it, which is a lot of times the lead pay-per-clicks and the organic traffic that you generate. And it's you as the driver, how good of a driver you are. And I've heard it from all kinds of brokers out there that say, okay, this lead system works and this one doesn't work. For the most part, it's not the system as much as how you implement the system, how you held your agents accountable, how you set expectations, which we'll talk about a little bit on the recruiting stuff we're going to talk about today. So that's a quick introduction.
Yeah, no, I love that. What I really like about Stan and his experiences, he's been there before. He's been the agent. He's been the broker owner of a 400-person franchise, right? So he's done the whole life cycle experience. So no matter where you are in your own personal journey, odds are Stan has been there before, and he can tell you these are the next steps that we can take in order to get you to that next step, whatever it may be for you and your priorities. So that authentic experience Stan brings to the table, I'm a huge fan of.